Okay, now we got to think about this. How many times have we been to 5208 since we've opened the 930 charts here? So 930 comes up here, and this is the sticking point, the buy above, sell below. Let me just double check to make sure. That's close enough. So we've been down one time. We're down through it one time, and up to it, down, then up, down, then up right now. Sure looking good at this point, right? Well, how smart would I have been if I'd have taken that short right there when we hit that mark? That's where my confidence level's got to get higher. All right, so let's look at this longer term view here, a little bit longer. And let's look and see what we've done here. So we got 1, 2, 3. Now this is a ziggy man going the other way, so it could do this. So let's be careful. Here's your neckline right here. So we were waiting to see, and then that fourth time through is kind of what I'm looking at right now on the short side. I certainly don't want to be long below the S2 line. Remember, I'm quite happy and content at plus 24 right now on a day that really hasn't pushed the low yet. We've not pushed the low being 51.46. So, I mean, if we look at our 10-minute chart, what do we see? We see this stupid level being able to hold right now, right? For now. Now it's pushing down hard. Yeah, how smart would I have been? It's me getting more confidence in my trading and seeing things. Sometimes I think you can get rid of all the lines except that one blue line on the high volume and just trade it. Now, is this the time it's finally going to run the lows? Honestly, this is kind of controlled down here. I expect another move coming up. Expect another move coming up here. Still, this is holding. Your neckline could literally be right here. That's what I call Ziggy Man. We're going the other way. So They're trying to trap in the shorts here. And then zoom it up. I'm going to pause here. Alright, so let's pull over the hourly chart. That's what the hours are telling us. Look at that right there. This is the low bar at 3 a.m. and we haven't been able to really get underneath it since 3. Kind of almost see like a little trend line that's trying to hold on the fat of the bar, right? Right through there. The fat closes are trying to keep it above this level. Alright, here comes that Ziggy man that I talk about. This is the 4th time to this mark right here. Take one shot here. I'll be very proactive in protecting this trade though. Gets down here to this blue line, we're going to protect break even. Don't like it. Protecting break even right now. Protecting break even right now. Trying to move it. It's taking a long time to come down, so let's see. See if we caught it here. Let's not worry about target until we get down here. This is a true down move. It should move. It shouldn't look back. All right, so let's look at how low we can go. 50.64. Let's plug in the high. 53.05. Right now we've been to 51.46. Still going to look for 50.75 if we can bust through. Let's remember 51.27 because that'll be what we'll be protecting on a 3P move. And this is hitting the home run. That'll be 50.89 hitting the home run today. We're going to use the GAN 270 angle. Hitting the home run today. All right, we've taken our best shots at the market. This should give us plus 25. And if it wants to come up from here, I think if it comes back up here again, this is done. You put a fork in it. All right, so 52.02, what do we need for a 1P move? 1P move is 76, so we need it coming down here. If we counted our GAN correctly here, if it comes back though, we know that it's a stronger up than down. This is going to be close today. This is the sticking point now. You might get stopped out and come on down. Definitely fighting here. Let's be okay with plus 25 today. Last trade is on. Last trade of day is now on. Will not take another, no matter how good it looks. Well, if we can get underneath this little line here, we got a chance. Need to get underneath this 85 mark. All right, I am going to protect 51.99 now. So this is a 1P down move from here. Did not go yet. $51.51 is next down target. Still looking for us to run the lows. We're in really good position here, so if this wants to go, we're good. Otherwise, let's just call it a day. In fact, you'll see me do this with the charts after the fact. That's exactly what you'll see me do. So I don't do anything stupid here. Comes back up to this level again. I think we're going to go back and up and through it. You know, you just don't get a lot of big winning trades all the time. You're hoping that you catch them, right? But be smart, protect, hope for the best. Still haven't run a 1p target yet from entry. Let's go ahead and protect our 5 now. We're hoping to catch the blue line this time around. We're hoping for a fallout, going at least to the lows of session. There's a 1p to it, not through it yet. And through. All right, we've definitely locked in our 5. Hopefully one of these trades will work out for us. Hoping to run the low here and underneath it. You know, this is 4 times here, it's 4 times down too. So that means 4 and 4, one of these has got to break. Path of least resistance is still down. All right, next target down is 51.51. This looks like where we'll be protecting the mark at 51.51 against the lows. We'll be protecting around 77.79 mark. So if we get down to the lows, this is where we're protecting right here. Okay, we're sitting at plus 50 on the day right now. On a little bit lower, we're going to grab our 50 at minimum now. We're going to hope that this market will continue to roll. Going for the lows, going for the lows. Volume. Okay, we've got protected, and then we've protected plus 50 day right now. So we're good. Now we need to see it run the lows at 46 here. Protect the 1p. That'll be still plus 50 at 1p. Almost. I think plus 49, 48. That's close enough. Low trying to hold. Plus 49, not bad. Alright, so what did I want to see? I did not want to see it do this, obviously, right? So we just protected our 1P mark. At this point, I wanted to see it fall. This was the 4th time through. So I really don't want to see it come back at all. I wanted to see it run the low there. We did not run the low. Doesn't mean we won't, but we stopped at 51.60 here. And the low is 46. That is not running the low. Take what the market gives you, right? So 8 trades plus 49, done. Stopping video here.